In this tutorial, I will show you how to find Sound ID on Roblox in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. Open any of the browser and search for roblox.com and then log into your account. Now click on create. Now from left, click on store. Now from this series of options, click on audio. Now you can select any category. Now if you want to listen preview of the music, then just go to the music and this play icon will appear automatically. Just click on it to listen the preview of the music. Now to copy asset ID, right click anywhere on this music, then click on copy asset ID. Now if you want to edit in Roblox Studio, then open Roblox Studio. Now from right click on explore. Here click on this plus icon beside workspace. Now here search for sound and click on it. After this sound option will appear here. Just click on it, then from above series of options click on properties. Now click beside sound ID, then right click here and click on paste. Now your music ID will add here. Now by clicking on this play icon you can preview the music if you want. That's it. So that's how you can find sound ID on Roblox in just few easy steps.